Good day, fellow mathematicians. Welcome back to our video. Today, we're going to discuss another topic in business mathematics. And that topic is the three types, the three types of percent problems, the three types of percent problems, type 3. Type 3. Previously, in the last few videos, we have discussed the type 1 and the type 2 of these percent problems. Now we are in the penultimate and the final type of problem, which is the type 3. In type 1, the missing is the percentage. In type 2, the missing is the rate. And as mathematicians, you might guess that the type 3, the missing is the base. And first of all, nakalagay siya dito. Ito, finding the base. Now, let's get started, shall we? Type 3, finding the base B. The formula is B is equal to P over R. If you don't know how did I get this, this is the circle and we have P, R, and B. Tapos, to get B, ito yan, P over R. P over R. This line indicates that this is a fraction, P over R. Now, in type 3 problems, you are given the rate and the percentage. Given your R and P, and you are asked to find the base. And basically, we just use the formula B is equal to P over R. Now, let's apply this into problems. Halimbawa, do the indicated instructions below. Number 1, 52% of what number is 416? So, how do we suppose and do this? Solution, number 1. Ngayon, ano ba given? Sinabi kanina, ang given is yung percentage and yung rate. So, practically, the percentage is yung walang percent symbol. So, this is 416. Okay? And the rate is equal to 52%. And always, hindi natin pwede pan-divide yung may percent kasi 52% is not a number na pinang-divide mo sa whole number. So, let's change this into a decimal. And how do we suppose and do that? Ang gagawin mo, 52% just means 52 over 100 or this is just equal to 0.52. Ginagawa mo lang, tinatanggal mo yung decimal point, di ba 52, tinatanggal mo yung percent symbol, this is the decimal point, you move 2 places to the right, andito na yung decimal point, and this is the 0. Ganun lang ginagawa nun guys, if you forgot. Ngayon, so this is 0.52. So therefore, the missing is the base. Now use the formula B is equal to P over R. P over R. Ngayon, sino ba si P? This is 416 all over 0.52. And this turns out to be a division problem na lang. B is equal to 416 divided by 0.52. And how do we suppose to do this? By using the division method, long method, or by a calculator. Very good. We will be using the calculator. 416 divided by 0.52 is just equal to 800. It's just equal to 800, guys. So let's go back to the screen. Okay, ito. Ngayon, so therefore the base is just equal to 800. Tama ba? The base is just equal to 800 or therefore 416 is 52% of 800. Yan ang full construction ng sentence na yan. All right? Okay, let's go to number 2, shall we? 45 is 30% of what number? So number 2, 45 is 30%, sulit na lang natin, of what number? Of what number? Ngayon, sino si percentage? Si 45. Sino si rate? Si 30%. Okay? And if you want to write this, magiging 30 all over 100. Or this is 0.30. You just move the decimal point from the ano, di ba? Ito yung 30. Ito yung 30. Ito yung decimal point. 2 places to the right. Kaya 0.30. Ganun lang yan basically, ha? Okay. So 0.30. Ngayon, sino yung missing? The missing is the base. Now use Now use B is equal to P over R. Sino si P? Is 45 all over R, which is 0.30. So this becomes a division problem once more. B is equal to 45 divided by 0.30, which is, we'll plug in a calculator. So 45 of natin 45 divided by 0.30 is just equal to 150, as you can see. Very good. So B is just equal to 150. Okay, now iyan natin yan. And therefore, another construction, therefore, ano yan, tawag dito, 150, and then 45 is 30% of 150. Basically, ganun lang yun. Tama ba? Okay? Now, very good. Anong gagawin natin next is the number 3, the final item, 60 is 2/3 of what number? So, the percentage is equal to 60. The rate is equal to, it can be a fraction, by the way, it can be a decimal, it can be a percent. This given is a fraction, 2/3. The missing is, of course, the base. Kasi nga, this is a problem set involving finding the base. Now use what formula? Base is equal to P over R. Who's P? 60. Who's the rate? 2/3. Now, if you have a fraction in the denominator, this will become multiplication kasi 60 is multiplied by the reciprocal of 2/3 or 3 over 2. Di ba ganun lang naman yun? If you're dividing, kinukuha mo lang yung reciprocal ng denominator. Eh, pwede ito ma-cancel. 60 and 2 can be cancelled. Ito ay 30. So this will become 30 multiplied by 3 or B is equal to 90. Tama ba? And we don't have to put it in a calculator. Diba, by the way? And kung gusto nyo, sige nga, para ano, kasi baka di kayo nagtitiwala. This is this is 60 over the fraction 2/3. 2/3. So magiging is just equal to 90. Tama ba? Ganun lang kaano yun, kabilis. So, let's go back. Therefore, balik tayo sa white, therefore, 60 is 2/3 of 90. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope you learned something today. I hope that you have appreciated the discussion of the video involving the types of percent problems involving the third type. In the next video, we will be discussing a lot of word problems applying the concept of the type 1, type 2, and type 3 methods. And until then, mathematicians, keep safe and have a great day. Goodbye now.